Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are celebrating Christmas on this channel with a Christmas cookie wreath. I am extremely excited about this recipe because it's not only beautiful to look at, it's not only fun to make, it's not only fantastically festive, it is delicious and you're going to love it. So let's get right into this recipe. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is to cream together our plant-based margarine and some all-natural cane sugar. We're going to add in some plant-based cream cheese. I like to use the Violife brand. It is really delicious. A little applesauce, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of lemon zest really brightens the flavors of these cookies. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix together some flour, a little baking powder, and some salt. And all we have left to do is just to mix together the dry and wet ingredients. Now this dough may look a little dry at first, but you just want to keep mixing. It will relax and not be quite as dry. And then I like to use my clean hands and get in there and just pull it together. And I find it's very easy to roll out if you have a couple of pieces of parchment paper. It just makes this whole process very easy. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? We have a couple of our favorites. If you want more cookie recipes, I'll leave some more down below. We have a ginger snap cookie that I really love, raspberry almond thumbprint cookies, cut out sugar cookies, Christmas spritz cookies, and even vegan meringue mushroom cookies, which are so cute. Almond biscottis. Now what I usually like to do is pop this dough right into the fridge for a few minutes, and that is for two reasons. And the two reasons are, one is so that it doesn't just spread in the oven. It helps hold its shape if it's chilled. And another thing is it makes it a lot easier to cut out our wreath shape when this is chilled a little bit. Much easier, trust me on that one. So let's pop this in the fridge for a few minutes. Now that our dough is nice and chilled, we are going to cut out our wreath shape. Ooh, I love this part. This is so exciting. Now you could do whatever kind of size shape wreath you like, but I personally like a 7-inch, very particular, a 7-inch wreath because it is just beautiful. I think the proportions are very nice. So I take a 7-inch cake pan, just put it on top like this, and then we're going to cut around it. If you have like a cookie cutter or maybe like a glass, you could use that as well. And I just put it in the middle. So while our cookie is in the oven, we are going to make the frosting that's going to go on top. I simply like to use plant-based Violife cream cheese. It is delicious, super fluffy. Then you just take a little bit of powdered sugar with a couple of drops of lemon extract. Oh, it's delicious, and you whip that until it is super light and fluffy. And there you have it, just the most beautiful frosting for our cookie. Once our cookie has come out of the oven and cooled completely, we can top it with our frosting, decorate it beautifully with fresh fruit. This is where you can get really creative and add your favorite fruits, favorite colors, beautiful, special things that you like on the top and really make it your own. And there you have it, the most beautiful Christmas cookie wreath on the planet. Until you make yours, that will be the most beautiful Christmas cookie wreath on the planet. And please send me a picture. I would love to see it. So before we end this video, I wanted to bring my mom on to wish you a Merry Christmas and also to talk about some of our favorite recipes. If you are looking for recipes this holiday season, we have a few of our family favorites that we would love to talk about.
Absolutely. I wanted to also show you how you can very easily find them on your phone, because I was talking to a lady not too long ago and she couldn't figure out how to search on the phone. So I decided I needed to show that. So you just go into Chef Ani, chefani.com. All right? And then up comes this. You push these 3 little lines. Some people don't know that. And then you have to scroll down a little bit and it comes to a search. And if you type in holiday, look at all the recipes. There is 3 pages of holiday recipes and they are tremendous. We have like 5 roasts on there.
There's so many recipes on here. So we have many plant-based roasts, different gluten-free roasts even, and then your regular plant-based roast that you can try. I mean, so many. We have holiday meatballs. Those are one of my favorites. With a gravy.
Yes.
Isn't that good?
Those are amazing.
Yes.
And traditionally something we use at least in the Christmas season.
Yes. I love the gingerbread houses. If you want to do a fun family activity, doing a gingerbread house is really fun.
Super fun.
You could do the rolls. We have, this roasted garlic and our cheesy sproutable dip. Mashed potatoes, there's red cabbage. We have Brussels sprouts and maple glazed carrots, pumpkin donuts.
Lots of appetizers.
Appetizers, olive tapenade. Don't get me started about that one. I could eat that entire one by myself. We have the sweet potato. If you are on team sweet potato like I am, then you have to have some sweet potato around Christmas time. So we have so many recipes on the website. If you're looking for a fun recipe, I will actually leave a link for you down below where you can go to these 3 pages so that you can find them and you can find all of the holiday ones and see what you like. Maybe you will find something new to make this year, or maybe something you've tried in years past and really like, but make sure to please tell us which ones you're doing, because it does make us really excited. Oh, you're supposed to be drinking a little bit more water.
It's a reminder that you need to drink our water, right?
And then Kaya wants to go ice skating.
That's my life. But it is, I love it.
And I want to thank you for spending Christmas with us as well.
Yes.
And we really want to wish you and your family a very happy and Merry Christmas. And to also thank you for all the support and encouragement for trying my recipes. All those things does not go unnoticed, and it means a lot to us.
Yes.
So we want to thank you from the very bottom of our hearts. Merry Christmas from our home to yours.
What do I say?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas.